Hi there, just found out there is a Kodi version that works on Roku devices, which at first sounded crazy, but finally I tried it and there is the result. As you see, the Kodi 17.5 loads. It's not the last 18-layer version, however, I'm glad at least this one works. On the first run there was an error, but on the all others everything went well. Now let me show you how I got it working. First I downloaded Kodi 17.5 built for Roku from a link my friend sent me. I'll just leave it in the video description so you can download it too. There you'll find 3 Kodi versions. One of them should work on your Roku too. You should copy this .tar file on a USB stick and plug it in your Roku while it's turned off. Then turn it on and browse the USB stick. On different TV sets it may be different. On mine I just pressed the source key on the remote control and from the screen menu choose the USB stick. Then find the Kodi.tar file and run it. If you are on a Roku TV box or TV stick, this may be different for you. However, the process is slightly the same. You need to somehow copy the .tar file on your device and then run it. After it says upgrade complete, restart your system and search for the Kodi icon. That's all. Now you have Kodi on Roku. There are 3 versions available: 17.3, 17.4 and 17.5. If any of them doesn't work, just try the other one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, find the link in the video description and press that like button. Bye!